This is the workflow editor. Since you have already selected a template, all we need to do is now customize. A workflow always starts from a trigger node. Just double-click the trigger node to see its configurations. Let's set this workflow to run on weekdays in the morning. Click on Save. The next node is the resource node. Double-click and select the previously added AWS account and region for which you want to run this workflow. Rest of the options are already selected for you. Let's filter the security groups based on the accessibility. Double-click on the filter and you should see we have already set the value for you. You can either change these or let them be. Click on Save and let's move ahead. Now, if this workflow run till here, it will filter out all the security groups which are accessible to the internet. But we want a report of the same. Double-click on Notification node and set the email or Slack channel where you wish to get the daily report. Just save the workflow and enable it by going to the workflow list page. All now you have to do is relax. You just automated daily report of security groups accessible through the internet. Creating complex workflows might need some help from our other features to make sure the workflow is correct. Learn about runtill and check permissions features from the link below. You can also create your own custom workflow to suit your use case. Let's TotalCloud.